Stocks opened this morning in record territory after passing another big milestone. For the first time, the Dow crossed the 25,000 mark on Thursday. That is the third record high in the first 3 trading days of the new year. CBS News financial contributor Mellody Hobson is in Chicago. Mellody, good morning. What a start to the new year. What's fueling this growth?
Wow, that's all I can say. It is quite a start. We've broken through lots and lots of records last year, started this year off strong. And a lot of it has to do with the fact that corporate profits have been strong, should only get better because of the recent tax cut that Congress has delivered to them. Unemployment is really low. The economy, not just in America, but around the world, is really strong. And not to mention the fact that some of these deregulation efforts will push a lot of industries to make it easier for them to do business. So there's a lot that is conspiring to push the stock market up.
And yet I'm looking at the front page of the Wall Street Journal, and they point out, though, that despite this surge, small investors have continued to yank their money out of funds that own U.S. stocks. Why?
Because they are suffering from what I call post-traumatic stress disorder from the financial crisis. Small investors have mostly sat on the sidelines because the financial crisis really scared them. And so as a result of that, they have missed a lot of this run in terms of direct ownership of stocks, but they indirectly own stocks through their retirement accounts, like their 401k plans and pensions that they've had. So a lot of workers have still benefited.
Mellody, what about average Americans who don't own stocks and are looking to see economic increases in things like wages? Those have only risen less than 3% in the last year. How do you explain that discrepancy?
So wage growth has been very, very slow, very low, and this is something that's confounded a lot of economists. A lot of this has to do with the fact, again, coming out of the financial crisis, unemployment surged, and people literally gave up looking for a job. They said, I'm done. As the economy started to come back, these people are entering the workforce. They're willing to work for less. But now we have 18 states that have raised unemployment as of the first of this year. We have 13 states that have 40-year lows in unemployment. So in order to hire people, they are going to have to pay them more. So I expect wage growth to really start to happen. I've been saying that for a while, but I really do think this is it.
Could also be a correction on the horizon somewhere down the line.
No one knows. I mean, this is the thing. I love this saying that bull markets do not die of old age. That is not what happens. It's something else. Everyone's pointing to the fact that this is the second longest bull market in stock market history. And if we go another 10 months, it will be the longest. But who knows? I would not time the market here.
Mellody Hobson, thanks for that.